Today in the shop, we're installing coilover brackets from TRZ Motorsports. Let's get started. What's up guys? Today we're going to install these TRZ coilover brackets on the front of our Pro Street Regal. These are going to replace the rubber upper bushing with a solid mount to give us more consistent launches and better wheelie control. First thing we have to do is to grab a flap disc and knock all the old rust and grease off this frame. Then we can start cutting out the old stuff to make room for the new. Let's get started. We got the mount test fit, and now we're ready to move on to the next step. Before we can install this permanently, we need to remove the factory spring perch to make room for the coilover. The best way to do this is with a plasma, but if you don't have one, a 5-inch hole saw will do the job. Just remember to keep the drill speed low and use plenty of cutting fluid to keep the bit cool. With everything out of the way, we're ready to tack the mounts in place. But before we do that, I'm going to hit some of the hard to reach areas with a weld-through primer to prevent any issues in the future. just gonna leave this tacked in place for now. Once we have all the bars for the chassis and the front end together, we'll come back and weld everything all at once. To finish the installation, the mount will get welded 360 degrees at the base and also along the seam at the back side. Once we're all finished, this tab will get welded in as a stop for the travel limiter. That's it for this week's video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and thanks for watching.